That is fine. Everything is fine. The ceiling is supposed to look like that.
My kitchen! My beautiful ceiling! Chef Pierre, I can explain. I was doing cooking. That is not cooking!
It was cooking. It just also became a ceiling situation.
Okay, let me back up. Today's big word is cooking. Cooking means using heat and ingredients to make food, on purpose, with a plan. I did not have a plan. That was my first mistake.
What actually happened in there? Should we be worried?
I will tell you everything from the beginning. Probably not. Mostly not.
It started this morning. Chef Pierre said I could join his cooking school. Real cooking school, with real ingredients, and a real stove.
The rules are simple. Follow the recipe. Do not improvise. Do not add extra. Do not touch the big red pot.
Understood completely. What is in the big red pot?
That is not your concern!
Understood completely, definitely.
Today we make soup. Step 1. Chop the vegetables.
I can chop. I am an excellent chopper.
The knife goes like this. Slow, careful, controlled.
Got it. Slow, careful, controlled. What if I go faster? Right. Slower, careful, yes.
He's going faster, isn't he?
He's going so much faster.
The vegetables are chopped. They are chopped in many sizes. Some are very small, some are large. One is the shape of a dog paw. I did that on purpose. That one is decorative.
Pour slowly, only to the line.
I see the line. I respect the line.
Très bon, Shamus.
Eek! Careful, Shamus.
Almost there, Soupy.
You did it. I may have gone past the line.
How far past?
The line is now underwater.
Mon Dieu!
Ah, the pressure!
It will cook down, probably. Tanner, please, I am handling it.
Handling it? It's exploding!
It is not cooking down.
Turn off the heat! Turn it off!
I turned it off. I also turned on a different one by mistake. The big one, next to the red pot.
Not the big one!
It's fine. I turned it off again.
Did you touch the red pot?
Define touch.
Shamus!
The lid just came off on its own. Gravity was involved. That's how it happened.
Hi friends! Buy these 3 great books by Gerald J. Roach on Amazon. First, Shamus makes a mess in cooking school. Then, a boy learns about his daddy's green thumb. And don't miss the soup. Subscribe and click the links below.